Think of your favorite cake. Is it the sweet frosting or the fluffy texture that comes to mind first? Maybe it's the way a cake turns any moment into a celebration. Cakes have a unique power. They make gatherings more special, turn the ordinary into extraordinary, and bring joy to any occasion. But have you ever wondered how those cakes, thousands of them, are made in a factory, ready to be delivered for birthdays, weddings, graduations, holidays, and everything in between? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of a cutting-edge cake factory where science, craftsmanship, and a touch of magic come together to create the cakes you love. This is where the journey begins. Inside this state-of-the-art facility, hundreds, no, thousands of cakes are made every single day. From raw ingredients to the beautifully decorated desserts you see in stores, every part of this process is meticulously designed to ensure quality, consistency, and taste. This factory doesn't just produce cakes, it crafts memories, traditions, and pure happiness in every bite. Every great cake starts with quality ingredients, but here we're talking about massive quantities, tons of flour, sugar, eggs, and butter stored in industrial silos and vats. These ingredients don't just sit there, they're constantly monitored and moved through a system of pipes, conveyors, and precision weighing systems. And everything is automated to ensure every recipe is followed down to the last gram. This isn't just baking, it's precision manufacturing. In a single shift, enough ingredients are processed to make thousands of cakes. The system is built to minimize waste and maximize efficiency while still delivering the highest quality cakes. Mixing is an art form even at this scale. These mixers can handle hundreds of pounds of batter at once, blending the perfect ratio of wet and dry ingredients. Think of your own kitchen mixer, then imagine one that's 100 times larger. The mixers are programmed to achieve the ideal consistency, smooth, velvety batter that's neither too thick nor too thin. Precision is key here. Sensors check the consistency of the batter constantly, and if it's even a little bit off, adjustments are made automatically. Every batch has to be perfect because once the cakes go into the oven, there's no turning back. The taste, the texture, it all starts with the mixing. Let's talk about eggs. Cracking a few eggs at home is simple, but here it's a technological marvel. Robotic arms crack and inspect hundreds of eggs per minute. Each egg is scanned for quality. Only the best make it into the batter. It's just another example of how technology is integrated into every part of the process. Eggs play a critical role in cake making. They bind the ingredients together, add richness to the flavor, and give cakes their signature light and fluffy texture. At this factory, not a single egg goes to waste, and the quality control ensures that each egg contributes to the perfect cake. Next, the batter is poured into molds. This part of the process is all about timing and coordination. Machines pour exactly the right amount of batter into each pan, ensuring uniform size and shape. You might think that cakes are simply baked and done, but it's so much more complex than that. That inconsistent pouring can lead to cakes that are uneven, which is why each cake is carefully monitored. From single-layer cakes to three-tiered wedding cakes, the factory's automated system ensures that each one is identical. It's this level of precision that allows the factory to produce cakes at such an incredible scale while maintaining quality. Baking is where the magic happens. These industrial ovens are finely tuned to maintain an even temperature, ensuring every cake rises perfectly. It's a balance of heat, airflow, and timing. Too much heat and the cakes will dry out. Too little and they won't rise. These ovens bake cakes in minutes, yet the results are just as good, if not better, than those made in a traditional kitchen. Each type of cake requires a specific temperature and baking time. Moist chocolate cakes, light sponge cakes, dense fruit cakes, they all have their own unique requirements, and these ovens, they're adaptable, programmable, and incredibly efficient, capable of baking thousands of cakes a day without ever compromising on quality. Now it's time for slicing, but not with a knife. These cakes are sliced with lasers. Yes, lasers. This technology ensures that every layer is perfectly even, which is critical for multi-layered cakes. Whether it's a single layer or a multi-tiered masterpiece, precision slicing guarantees that each cake is as beautiful as it is delicious. Every cake that comes through the factory is measured and checked for uniformity. The layers have to be even, the texture just right, and the overall appearance flawless. This is where the skill of technology meets the precision of craftsmanship. And now the part we all look forward to. Frosting machines handle the first layer, coating the cakes with rich, creamy buttercream. But the real artistry happens with the finishing touches. Skilled decorators hand-pipe details, transforming each cake into a work of art. In a factory like this, machines can replicate some of the basic designs. But for those special orders, birthdays, weddings, and custom creations, it's the decorators who make the magic happen. Their steady hands and creative vision turn a simple cake into a masterpiece. Music. Some cakes are customized for special occasions. Whether it's a birthday message or a wedding design, these decorators bring their skills to the table, making each cake unique. Personalization is what makes these cakes truly special, adding that extra touch for the customer. Whether it's a hand-piped message or a sculpted flower, these decorators ensure that every cake is perfect for the moment it's meant to celebrate. From the big celebrations to the quiet moments, these cakes are made to create memories. Music, applause, music. Once decorated, the cakes are ready for packaging. But just like the rest of the process, packaging is precise and efficient. The goal is to keep the cake fresh and intact from the factory to the table. The packaging machines carefully wrap each cake, sealing in the freshness and protecting the delicate decorations. The packaging is more than just a box. It's a shield that keeps the cake fresh and safe until it reaches its destination. From the bakery shelf to a customer's home, every cake is protected, ensuring that it looks and tastes just as good as when it left the factory. Music, applause, music. And after packaging, it's time for distribution. These cakes are destined for stores and events across the country. Climate-controlled trucks ensure that the cakes remain fresh during their journey. It's a logistics challenge, but one that's mastered through experience and careful planning. Planning the journey from factory to store is just as important as the baking process itself. Timing, temperature control, and careful handling all play a role in ensuring that every cake arrives in perfect condition. It's a behind-the-scenes process that's invisible to most but crucial to the factory. Success. The journey ends at the store where customers select the perfect cake for their celebration. What started as raw ingredients has become a symbol of joy, ready to be shared with friends and family. These cakes aren't just desserts, they're memories in the making. Making cake is more than just dessert, it's the centerpiece of special moments. From birthdays to weddings, cakes bring people together, creating memories that last a lifetime, and every cake that comes out of this factory is made with that purpose in mind. Music. Behind every cake is a team of dedicated individuals, bakers, engineers, decorators, working together to create something special. It's not just a job, it's a passion. Each cake is crafted with care, ensuring that it brings joy to whoever takes the first bite. So, the next time you enjoy a slice of cake, think about the journey it took to get there. From the mixing of the batter to the final frosting, it's a process that combines science, art, and love. And at the end of that journey, there's a moment of happiness shared with those who matter. Music. If you enjoyed seeing how these delicious creations come to life, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Join us for more behind-the-scenes looks, baking tips, and a journey through the world of cakes. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next slice of the action.